was like, I don't know. I was devastated. Brillies was my first business that hit 6 figures a month. I thought it was going to be like my forever business, but just celebrities were wearing us. It was popping. It was popping. I didn't even know I was going through a cyber attack. I woke up with no sales and I was like, this is crazy. This was all because
Kaila
is a Dutch-Indonesian entrepreneur
who overcame personal tragedy and financial hardship
to build a successful business.
She shares what it takes to be a small business owner on TikTok.
in my 20s, I was using the money that I made as a model to bankroll the business. I genuinely had to choose between rent or inventory and then didn't have money for groceries. I was raised in the kind of place where Avon meant you were a business owner. It was just ridiculous. I hate that part of social media that's turned it into the only way you're gonna actually be successful is to be a business owner. This is why I started my TikTok. I failed a lot of businesses to get to the point of having one that made it as big as that did. If I had to start over right this second, I would immediately.
The longer you're in business, you're going to get hit with something.
50% of all the cyber attacks are against small businesses.
The attacks, the trolls, the failures, you're putting it all out there.
I'm on social media teaching other people how to run their businesses, and I just lost my business.
What the heck is an online hitman?
Okay, this story is wild.
Listen to the full episode on our YouTube channel or wherever you consume your favorite podcasts.